Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Candy Crush with unlimited lives. Many players find themselves waiting for lives to regenerate, but there is a clever workaround. By simply adjusting your device's internal clock, you can trick the game into thinking time has passed, instantly refilling your life count. This easy guide will show you exactly how to do it, ensuring your Candy Crush fun never has to stop for long. To begin, ensure the Candy Crush Saga application is fully closed on your device. Next, open your device's main settings menu. Scroll down until you find the date and time option and tap on it. Here, you will need to disable the automatic date and time setting. Once that is done, manually advance your device's date by 1 or 2 days forward. This simple change is key to refreshing your lives. It is crucial to remember to revert your device's date and time settings back to automatic after you have finished playing. Not doing so can cause issues with other applications, calendar events, and notifications on your phone. Each time you successfully perform this trick, you will gain 5 additional lives. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection when you initially open the game after adjusting the time. Beyond the time trick, there are other excellent ways to manage your lives. Connecting with friends allows you to send and receive extra lives, often up to 5 per day. Completing daily quests and challenges can also reward you with valuable in-game items, including lives. Strategically using boosters can help you pass tough levels, saving lives. Also, replaying levels with fewer moves can sometimes earn you more lives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.